Welcome to Samsung's Experience Store. Come on in and let's check out Samsung's newest innovation, the Galaxy S20. We all know everybody loves taking great photos and videos, so I know you'll love this new feature, the 8K Video Snap. It gives you the best of both worlds, where you can record moments in 8K video and also use that later on to grab some high-resolution photos. Just hit the camera app. Make sure that the video is on 8K mode. That's it. Easy, right? Ready? Action. Let's have a look at some results. Here's a video I took at the zoo. Let's see. Here's a cool shot. All I need to do is tap this and you get an amazing 33 megapixel photo of that exact moment. And there it is, an easy way to get stunning pics right from your 8K videos. And they really come to life on your Samsung QLED 8K TV. Thanks so much. Would you like to see some other S20 features? Check it out.